Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping and network lag in Warzone 2. So the first thing that you can do here, you need to go to browser and then you need to go to Activision.com online services. Here select Call of Duty Warzone 2 and here select the platform and look if the servers are fully operational. And if the servers are operational, then probably the problem is on your end. So what you can do here first is to go to speed test and test your internet connection. So you can look if you have reliable internet connection, and if you are getting more than 100 ms, you probably good to go. And if you don't, probably limit some devices and then maybe restart your router and try again. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you, if you're using VPN, disable VPN for a bit, and then you need to change your DNS server addresses and try again. And to do so, what you need to do here on the bottom right, you should see a little network icon here. And then you need to go to Open Network and Internet Settings and go to Change Adapter Options. And here, just click on it and right click on it. And then go to Internet Protocol version 4. And press this, use the following DNS server addresses, and just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS servers just write 8.8.4.4 and press OK, apply changes and try again, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.